Hello, I'm Chris Randolph. I work with the Tekla EPM development team. I'm going to take just a few minutes to demonstrate what's possible with the Tekla EPM API. The best showcase of our API is the tool it was created for to begin with, Tekla EPM Go. Tekla EPM Go is a web application used primarily by project managers and workers on the shop floor to view and update drawings, material, and production and shipping status. EPM Go communicates with the Tekla EPM database exclusively through the Tekla EPM API. In this video, I'm going to show you a little of the new drawing management functionality that's introduced in the 2020i releases of our desktop and web interfaces. For this project, we used the API for both the Tekla EPM desktop program and for EPM Go. Doing this allowed us to obtain feature parity for the drawing log in both applications. In this example, I've loaded drawings in the desktop program and in EPM Go on the right. This uses an EPM API command called drawing get. In our interface test tool, I've added the XML text of the command drawing get, and when we execute, we get as a response all the drawings in the project with data like approval status, category, descriptions, and issue dates to name a few. This is the same command that's used by both EPM and EPM Go to display this information. We can get even more information, such as transmittal data, just by including it in the request. Or I could request just a single drawing. Using the API, we can also edit information. I'll set BR55 to approved. That information will be updated in the desktop program and in EPM Go. All of these edits affect both Tekla EPM and EPM Go because both programs are using the API and are updating the same database. I'll toss in another example, selecting several items to edit. And I'll make multiple edits, changing approval status to hold, and I'll change detailed by to CR. And momentarily we'll see those update in EPM. So with the Tekla EPM API, you as a developer can make your own custom applications to perform anything that's done in EPM Go, as well as some additional functionality that's currently used by nesting programs like saving nests and updating cut lists, and by barcoding systems like production tracking, as well as shipping and receiving. For information on the partner program and for documentation and examples using the Tekla EPM API, visit our Getting Started page in the Tekla Developer Center.